Welcome to this video introduction to the 3-wallet model, a practical guide to safer crypto and Web3 self-custody. The 3-wallet model is a framework for a safer wallet setup, developed in response to feedback from users who lost crypto or Web3 assets to hacks, scams, or user mistakes, with those lessons compiled into a framework for safer self-custody. Let's begin by explaining a common but serious mistake made by both beginners and experienced users, one you should avoid, and one that inspired the model. Many people begin their crypto journey by buying Bitcoin. This is a very smart decision and a safe first step into the world of digital assets. And with that first purchase comes their first wallet, the place where everything begins. But excitement quickly takes over. After Bitcoin, many users begin exploring altcoins. And instead of creating a separate wallet, they just keep adding altcoins into their first wallet. This is the first mistake. Soon, the temptation of meme coins appears. Stories of overnight millionaires spread quickly, and users jump into the latest hype-driven tokens. Once again, all of it gets stored in that same wallet. Then comes the airdrop rush. Free tokens sound like free money. But once again, every new airdrop is connected to the same wallet, increasing exposure with each step. As crypto becomes part of everyday life, the wallet is used for even more activities like payments and purchases. After all, hacks and scams are something that happens only to other people. Right? So, everything continues to be stored in that same single wallet, carrying more and more risk. Curiosity soon pushes users deeper into Web3. They start connecting their wallet to decentralized applications, exploring new platforms, and testing out the latest trends. But it's still the same wallet, now exposed to countless websites and smart contracts. Then comes the NFT craze. Profile pictures, collectibles, and digital art feel exciting, even empowering. Yet again, every new purchase, every new token, and every connection is tied back to that same wallet, the one already carrying Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins, airdrops, and more. The journey doesn't stop there. Soon, users begin buying metaverse assets, virtual land, game items, and avatars, believing they're early to the next digital frontier. But every purchase is still linked to that same overloaded wallet. Chasing yields becomes the next step. Staking and lending platforms promise passive income, so tokens get locked up. Once again, it all flows through that same single wallet, which now holds nearly every part of their crypto and Web3 life. Finally, full immersion. The wallet is now connected everywhere, gaming, swapping coins daily, experimenting with every new trend. It becomes the single key to all assets, all activity, and all identity in crypto. This all-in-one approach creates a single point of failure. The same wallet that should protect your most valuable assets is also the one exposed when connecting to apps, trading on decentralized exchanges, or approving smart contracts. One hack, one scam, or even a simple mistake can cascade into total loss, wiping out your most valuable crypto and Web3 assets in an instant. Without safeguards, it's only a matter of time. If you find this content useful, please hit the thumbs up button. Your support allows us to keep making free educational content. Thanks. One simple but effective solution to a single or disorganized wallet structure is the 3-wallet model. By separating your assets into 3 purpose-based wallets, you reduce risk and increase security, while still maintaining a flexible setup suitable for everyday crypto and Web3 activities. A vault wallet is cold storage for long-term savings. It keeps your core assets offline and away from daily use or risky activity. This minimizes exposure and ensures your most valuable holdings remain safe. A frequent use wallet is intended for everyday transactions. It holds only the funds you need regularly, so you can spend or transfer easily without exposing your core savings, which you keep safely stored in your vault wallet. A disposable wallet is for high-risk or experimental use. It's where you interact with new apps, claim airdrops, or test unfamiliar platforms. By holding only low-value assets here, even if it gets hacked or drained, the loss is minimal. Together, these 3 wallets form a safer system for your crypto and Web3 assets, especially for those just beginning their journey. Instead of risking everything in a single wallet, the 3-wallet model guides beginners step by step. If you're just starting your journey, the model offers a simple way to begin: one frequent use wallet to get up to speed. At this stage, you're only testing the waters, and you shouldn't yet be putting anything important at risk. As your journey continues and you begin holding Bitcoin or other valuable assets, Stage 2 adds a vault wallet. Kept offline and away from risky activity, it protects your core savings while your frequent use wallet covers daily use. Stage 3 completes the model with a disposable wallet for experiments, airdrops, and high-risk apps. By isolating risk here, you keep your vault and frequent use wallets safe, creating a balanced and resilient system. At some point, most users connect to a centralized exchange for buying, selling, or cashing out. The 3-wallet model shows how to do this safely. Your vault, frequent use, and disposable wallets remain the foundation, while you connect to an exchange or even a bank account without weakening your core setup. The 3-wallet model is a framework that defines 3 wallet types, but this doesn't mean you are limited to only 3 wallets. It provides structure and clarity while allowing flexibility to expand as your needs grow. Even experienced users can strengthen their setup by reorganizing their assets into this safer, more resilient structure. But following this model doesn't mean locking your most valuable assets away forever. Advanced users can still use their NFTs, tokens, and other holdings through safe mechanisms like delegation or non-custodial access. This way, assets remain secure in the Vault wallet while you continue interacting with Web3 apps, games, and platforms, combining security with flexibility. This has been a short introduction to the core principles of the 3-wallet model. We hope you found it informative. For full access to the guide and additional resources, check the links in the video description. For more on crypto and Web3 safety, visit www.cryptosafetyfirst.com, where you can access all our educational material for free. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control. Thanks for watching.